All right, guys, how are you doing? Welcome. Today we are going to make something absolutely beautiful, a real treat, and so much fun to make. We're talking about momos. These little parcels of joy are just brilliant. Soft, steaming hot dumplings from Nepal. From Tibet, packed, and I mean packed, with incredible flavor. Fillings, fresh veggies. Fillings, minced meat. A fantastic weekend project. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be making them all the time. A proper family affair. The beauty is simplicity, honest food. Right then, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's get our kit sorted. Good food starts with good prep. We don't need any fancy gadgets, just basic, trusty gear. First up, you'll need a nice big bowl. This is where we're going to bring our dough together. Find one that gives you plenty of room to get your hands in and have a good old knead. Then, grab a smaller bowl for your filling. Keeping things separate is the key to staying organized. Next, something to roll with. A simple rolling pin is perfect. But if you don't have one, a clean wine bottle or a straight-sided glass works beautifully. You'll also want a round cutter, about 3 to 4 inches across. A cookie cutter is great. The rim of a teacup works just as well. For cooking, you'll need a steamer. No fancy kit, a big pot with a fitting colander is a brilliant hack. Plus a spoon for scooping, a sharp knife, and a clean chopping board. Most important tools of all, your hands. Give them a good wash, we're getting right in there. Set yourself up for a calm session, no rushing. If you fancy pan-fried momos, have a good non-stick pan with a lid ready. That method gives a wicked combo. Crispy, golden brown bottom, and a soft, steamed top. So that's it. Bowls, rolling pin, cutter, steamer, or pot, and a pan. Simple as that. Now, ingredients. Okay team, let's talk about the dough, the soft blanket that hugs our filling. Getting this right is super important, but it's also super easy. You only need 3 basic things: plain flour, a bit of salt, some warm water. That's it. About 3 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of salt. Give it a quick mix to wake up the flavor. Make a little well. Don't just chuck the water in, add it little by little, pulling flour in from the sides. Keep going until it becomes a shaggy dough. You might need a splash more or less. Aim for soft, not sticky. Trust your instincts. Get it onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 5 to 7 minutes. Push, fold, turn, repeat. Gluten develops and the dough turns smooth, bouncy, and pliable. A tiny drizzle of oil can make it extra silky. Shape into a ball, pop it back in the bowl, cover with a damp tea towel. Let it rest at least 30 minutes so the gluten relaxes. Rolling will be so much easier. It'll become soft and cooperative. While it naps, perfect time to prep our fillings. Onwards. We'll make 2, a gorgeous veggie filling and a classic meat one, both absolutely packed with flavor. Let's dive in. For the vegetable filling, it's all about fresh, crunchy textures. Get a pan on medium heat with a splash of oil. Fry off grated ginger and minced garlic, 30 seconds until it's smelling amazing. In goes a finely chopped onion, then your cabbage and grated carrots. Stir and cook a couple of minutes. Keep a little bite, don't mush it. Season with soy sauce, a pinch of salt, and a crack of black pepper. Give a final stir, take off the heat, and let it cool completely. Then stir in chopped spring onions. For chicken or pork, hot pan, bit of oil, ginger and garlic again, then onion. Add the mince, break it up as it cooks. Cook until just done and still tender. Season with soy, salt, and pepper. Off the heat, fold through spring onions. Let it cool completely. Top tip, filling should be moist, not wet. If you squeeze and lots of liquid seeps out, dry it briefly in the pan. Dial in the seasoning and texture. That's what takes your momos from good to absolutely brilliant. Dough. Rested and relaxed. Fillings, cool and delicious. Time to bring it together. Divide into equal pieces, roll into smooth balls. Keep the rest under a damp cloth so they don't dry out. Flatten with your palm, roll from the center. Thin center to hug the filling, slightly thicker edges for pleating. Aim for 3 to 4 inches. Use a round cutter or cup rim for uniform circles. Stack with a light dusting of flour to prevent sticking. It's filling time. Place a teaspoon of filling in the center. Less is more. Overfilling makes sealing a nightmare. Dip a finger in water, run it around the edge. That moisture is your glue. Shape 1. The half moon. Fold over the filling, press edges firmly. Easy. Shape 2. The pleated purse. Make small pleats along one edge, bring them around to the center, pinch and twist to seal. Don't worry if they're not perfect. They'll taste amazing. Have fun with it. Brilliant! Look at those lovely little momos. Now it's time to cook. Classic way is steaming. Gentle and moist. Use bamboo or metal. Lightly grease or line with cabbage leaves to prevent sticking. Place in a single layer with space between. They puff slightly. Don't overcrowd or they'll stick and tear. Cook in batches if needed. Get the pot to a boil, set the steamer on, lid on, let steam do the work. Vegetable momos, 8 to 10 minutes. Meat momos, 10 to 12. Try not to peek. Opening lets steam escape. Time's up, turn off the heat. Rest 1 minute with lid on to set the dough, then lift to a cloud of steam and plump momos. Carefully remove and plate. Job done. Or, fancy some texture? Let's pan fry for that crispy bottom magic. If you love a bit of texture, and who doesn't, you've got to try this pan frying method. Best of both worlds. Soft top, crunchy golden base, coat the momo. Place them flat side down and let them sizzle. Fry 1 to 2 minutes without moving. Peak, you're looking for a lovely light brown. Carefully add a 1/4 cup of water. It'll steam instantly. Lid on fast to trap steam. Reduce to medium-low for 5 to 7 minutes until the water's gone. When the sizzling stops, they're ready. Lift the lid, soft tops, golden crisp bottoms. Give them 30 more seconds to lock in that crunch. Winner. A little different from classic steaming, but that contrast is to die for. Give it a go. Right, the hard work is done. Serve hot. Straight from the steamer or straight from the pan. Arrange on a big platter. Sprinkle fresh coriander or finely sliced spring onions. Simple soy with rice vinegar and chopped fresh chili. Or a tomato-based momo achar. Even yogurt with a pinch of salt and a squeeze of lemon. Give everyone their own little bowl. A squeeze of lemon or lime brightens and makes flavors pop. Little finishing touches elevate the meal. It shows you care. Gather everyone, share, dip, and enjoy every bite. You've earned it. This is what good food is all about. Simple, honest, made for sharing. Lovely jubbly. So there you have it. Your very own homemade, absolutely delicious momos. See? I told you you could do it. It's not so scary. You learned a soft dough, cracking fillings, folding and shaping, then steamed for softness or pan-fried for that wicked crisp. Don't worry about perfection. You'll get neater, faster, cool leftovers before chilling, reheat by steaming, freeze raw on a tray, then bag, steam from frozen with a few extra minutes. Be patient, enjoy the process, share with your people. Keep cooking, keep sharing. You've absolutely smashed it. Good on you.